Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy one-pan pork loin dinner. So it's a complete dinner all in one pan. So I'm using some small baby potatoes and asparagus as the side for this. You want to make sure that your potatoes are small, and if you have larger potatoes, I would cut them up so that they are smaller. These were like grape tomato size, and I quartered them, and they took a little bit longer to cook than I initially thought they were going to. So if you're using like a larger red potato or something like that, you want to make sure that you're cutting them up pretty small, because the potatoes are what's going to take the longest to cook. And you could boil these a little bit ahead of time, like blanch them or something, but then it's not a one pan dinner. You know what I mean? And so for my vegetable, I'm using asparagus. You could use any vegetable. You could do broccoli. You could do Brussels sprouts maybe. But again, with the Brussels sprouts, they're similar to the potatoes. You'd want to cut them up really, really small. And so for this asparagus, rather than leaving it whole, I'm just kind of cutting it into bite-sized sections. And I like to leave the rubber bands on for as long as I can, just because it holds everything together. So like I left this top rubber band on for almost the whole time. And I'm just putting those in a bowl, and I'm going to set those to the side. Now, this is the most important part. You want to make sure that you're getting a marinated pork loin, because then you don't have to do any extra seasoning to the meat. And you want to give that a good sear. It just takes like 5 minutes or so. And then for your vegetables, I added some extra seasonings. If your pork loin is like super heavily seasoned, you really don't have to add any extra seasonings, because the seasoning from the pork loin is going to get onto the vegetables. But I just couldn't not add salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So I just gave that a mix. And now I'm just adding that around my pork loin and just dumping it all in there. And you could have like seared the pork loin first, then cut up the vegetables and just added them straight to the pan and not used a pot and just sprinkled on seasonings on top. That probably would have worked fine, but I wanted to make sure that my potatoes were seasoned. So just one extra bowl. But then you're going to cover that and you're going to bake it for like 40 to 50 minutes, just until the potatoes are nice and tender. You want to cover it up so that it holds in some of that steam. And there it is, all done. This is like one dinner, and it's just me and my husband eating this. So this is like 3 or 4 meals for us. This is super easy. If you want to see more easy recipes like this, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes. And thanks for watching.